Linnenluecke et al., 2020, Approach, How to Write the Results chapter. In this chapter, you will present the findings from your literature searches. While you may have briefly outlined your final selection of sources and justified these choices in the methodology chapter, this section provides a more detailed and comprehensive presentation of those findings. This chapter may be combined with a discussion chapter, also referred to as findings and discussion or findings and analysis. Please check with your tutor before you complete your write-up. Chapter Introduction. Here, you will review the prior chapter and present an overview of the current chapter. You will likely suggest that the results of your thematic analysis will be presented. Presenting the results. You may wish to present your findings in a table to clearly illustrate the themes identified through your thematic analysis, the authors who contributed to each theme, and the strength of the supporting evidence. Theme: Education sector's awareness and acceptance of Gen AI-driven changes. Nature of evidence. Reflected in Linnenluecke et al., 2025, who predicted reduced student-educator interaction with Gen AI use. However, educators instead shifted towards facilitative roles rather than being replaced. Linnenluecke et al., 2025. This aligns with wider literature advocating the meaningful integration of Gen AI to support more authentic assessment. Bobula, 2024. Clafe et al., 2025. Manilchev et al., 2024. QA, 2023. Rudolph et al., 2023b. Salinas Navarro et al., 2024. Upshur et al., 2024. Vallis, 2024. Williams, 2025, as well as with broader policy moves to harness Gen AI in education globally, DFE, 2025. HM Government, 2021. Prime Minister's Office 10, Downing Street et al., 2025. Republique Française, 2025. Strength of evidence, strong. Theme: LDTs as strategic enablers of Gen AI. Nature of evidence. Hughes et al., 2025, and Newell et al., 2024, highlight that lecturers are notoriously pressed for time. Whilst this presents some barriers, particularly considering official guidelines advise educators to self-direct their Gen AI literacies, Niao and Kukurova, 2024, LDTs may address this gap where others cannot to strengthen connections between academic staff and professional services. Strength of evidence, moderate. Theme: Lack of unified approaches to adopting Gen AI. Nature of evidence. Institutional approaches explored in both UK-specific and global literature highlight that universities are implementing full, partial, or zero-use policies. Almajoli et al., 2025. Atkinson Toll and Guo, 2024. Christ Brendamol, 2024. Wilson, 2025. A disparate approach criticized by some. Atkinson Toll and Guo, 2024. Lodiega and Coulin, 2024. Strength of evidence, strong. Your tutor may require you to present your results differently from this, in which case, please speak with them to determine the most suitable approach. The Linnenluecke et al., 2020, journal article covers several approaches that may be applicable to your study. Chapter conclusion. You may want to conclude this chapter by briefly summarizing the key findings and providing a clear link to the next chapter, where the significance of these findings will be discussed.